Good evening. Can you hear
Good
me?
evening, sir. Yes, sir.
No, many of you are late actually. Why you all joining late? Hello.
Sir, actually, I was doing some work. I actually slipped my mind.
You actually was doing some work.
Yes, sir, I was writing a record actually. I slipped my mind.
Hmm. Yeah, 1 second. Children, are you here or not? Can you hear me? How many of you solved these questions? Hello. Hello. Are you here or not?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Have you solved this question, guys?
No, sir. I tried, but I wasn't able to get.
Okay. What about others?
Sir, once explain, sir.
Which question?
Sir, the 10th one.
What about other problems?
Sir,
What
I
about
got the 12th and 13th one. The other three, 10, 11, and 15, I didn't get.
just a minute? Yeah. Tell me, what is the problem?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is the problem? How many have you done with this question? Hello. Look at the 10th one, very simple, right? So sine cube I have in the, can I take sine theta common? If I take sine theta common, so 1 minus 2 sine square theta, isn't it? Divided by cos square theta common, so not cos square theta, so I can take cos common, 2 cos theta, not 2 cos theta, simple cos theta. If I take, so what I would I get remain with? 2 cos square theta minus 1, isn't it? So sine theta 1 minus 2 sine square theta can be written as what? 1 minus cos square theta. divided by cos theta into cos square theta can be written as what? 1 minus sin square theta, or else let it be as it is. Need not to change. Why? Because I already have 1 minus cos square theta in the numerator, right? So let it be. So now just so what would you get here? Look at this. 2 cos square theta minus 1. So simplify this. 2 cos square theta minus 1 minus 2 plus 1, right? So cos theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this will get cancelled. What is my answer now? Tan theta is answer. Option B is correct. Hello? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Very simple actually. So 11th one, how many have you done with 11th one? Guys, basically you didn't solve or you didn't try or what? I don't understand. No one is responding here.
No, sir, I tried. I got 2 only.
Okay. What about others? I'm asking. Only Shadab is responding. What about other people? See, this is the
I do
question,
tried
right?
some of them. Sir.
Sorry.
I tried some of them.
Okay, how many questions you got then? See,
Sir, I
a
got
cos
one.
theta minus b sin theta is equal to c given, then a cos theta plus b sin theta. What can I do here?
So we can find A separately and B separately and then multiply.
A separately.
So A cos theta is equals to C plus B sin theta.
A cos theta. Yeah. Okay, if you do so, what would you get? A cos theta is equal to c plus b sin theta. So a cos theta you don't have here, then how should you do, man? A cos theta, how can we do? Like a
We
cos
just
theta,
find A, sir. So C plus B sin theta by cos theta.
okay. So, then
And then
what?
we put A in that place.
Oh, it takes very big thing, man.
Okay.
So if you try, you can try. Nothing wrong in that. See, you never encourage the method, this type of method. Why? Because it, it's the right strategy only, right idea only, but it takes very big. Look at this A. If you substitute A here, look at this C into sin theta I have here plus B cos theta. So look at this CB again. Every big function is becoming very big actually. You try to make the function as short as possible, as convenient as possible. Don't make your functions too complicated. समझ में आ रहा है अनुज जी?
Yes, sir.
For that, what can I do? The best method I can do is what? मुझे क्या चाहिए? ये दिया है तो ये चाहिए. Whenever you get this type of question, beta, you just simply do squaring on both sides. This type of question you will get in class 11 as well. Squaring on both sides. So if I do so, a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta is equal to c square, not c square, plus 2 times of plus.
Sir, minus B square sin square theta.
Minus 2 here, right?
हाँ.
तो मुझे चाहिए a sin theta b cos theta. ठीक है,
Sir,
now
minus AB sin theta cos theta.
हाँ, yeah, minus 2ab, right?
Yes, sir.
So either now look, let us bring this same function. Let me write cos function as what? A square 1 minus sin square theta plus b square can be written 1 minus cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta is equal to c square. ठीक है. So a square minus a square sin square theta plus b square minus b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta is equal to c square. Okay, fine. So after this, what can I do here? Interesting. Isn't it interesting? Look at it here. Let us bring all constant one side, minus c square, and I'm bringing all this stuff to the right hand side. Why? Because all constant one side, all trigonometric functions one side. ठीक है. Diksha, are you able to understand, Diksha?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No doubt,
If
sir.
Tushar, any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
What I need here? Oh,
Sir,
very-
plus c square also you should do, sir. Okay, you bought, yeah, nothing,
Hmm.
sorry.
I bought left hand side. So a square plus b square minus c square is equal. This fully can I write as a plus b whole square?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to square root of a square plus b square minus c square. Any doubt here? This is what I need, right? This is what I need here. Square I'm bringing to this side, so it becomes square root. So this is what my answer. ठीक है? Any doubt? Which option?
No, sir.
अरे यार वो ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. हाँ ऑप्शन है. So plus or minus must, guys. Plus or minus. We forgot plus or minus.
Yes, sir.
A square plus b square minus c square. A square plus b square minus c square. Option B is correct here. Look at this. Very good question. 12th one. How many have you done 12th one? 12th one is pretty easy actually. Similarly,
Yes,
you
sir.
have to do.
Done.
Squaring on both sides similarly. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So guys, 12th
Yes.
one, similar type of question. You have to solve this by using squaring on both side method. So 13th one, this is the question, guys. Whenever I have, when I was in my school stage also, I was getting the same question. It's a very important question actually. Yeah, this is a very good question. Let us write 13th one. What is the 13th one question? Can anyone of you please tell me the question? Square root of
Secant theta minus 1 by secant theta plus 1 plus square root of secant theta plus 1 by secant theta minus 1.
is equal to what? Okay, is
Yes,
equal to
sir.
what? So now guys, whenever you have square root type of thing, you just blindly, what would I go for? Rationalization.
Rationalizing.
So secant theta minus 1 divided by secant theta plus 1. So rationalization I'm just doing with the denominator, or else let us go with the numerator. See here, a plus b into a minus b, or else you just go with the denominator. I'm just doing like this. Okay, can I do like this? Plus square root of secant theta plus 1 divided by secant theta minus 1 into secant theta plus 1 divided by secant theta plus 1. This is what I get. So secant square theta minus 1 divided by secant square theta minus 1. Yes sir, a square minus b square. Note, secant square minus 1 whole square here. Secant theta minus 1 whole square. Secant square theta, right? Plus here secant theta plus 1 whole square divided by, ठीक है. तो secant square, okay, खत्म. आंसर कुछ भी नहीं है अभी. The denominator can I write as tan square theta? Sir, no, people, do you agree with my point or not?
Yes, sir.
इसको भी tan square लिखेंगे हम लोग. तो अभी इसको मैंने कैसे लिख सकता हूँ? देखो, how can I write this? Can I write like this as? Can I write this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
this I can cancel. कुछ भी नहीं है भाई, ये तो बच्चा वाला क्वेश्चन है. तो secant theta plus 1 and secant theta minus 1. by tan theta. This will get cancelled. What would I remain with now? 2 times of secant theta by tan theta. Do you have this option?
No, sir, we have to convert it
Yes,
into
we have
sine
to
by
convert.
cos and 1 by
Yeah, just convert. Then if you don't have an option, you convert. So this can be written as 2 by cos theta all divided by sine by cos theta. Cos will get cancelled. So 2 by sine theta. 2 by sine theta can be written as what? 2 cosec theta.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Diksha, Tushar, Steve?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2 cosec theta. Which option is correct here? 2 cosec theta. Option A is correct. Now next 14th one. How many have you done 14th one, guys? 14th one is pretty simple actually. How many have you done 14th one? Hello. At least how many of you have tried?
Sir, I tried.
Right, sir.
Okay. What about others?
Sir, the power 6 is confusing me a lot.
Power 6 is confusing. Then what can you do for that? You just convert into cube then. Okay, let's go with that. No problem. Look at this.
Sir, can we write it as sine squared to the power of cube? I mean, to the power of 3.
Sine cube theta whole square. You can write it.
Okay, sir.
Can you please tell me the question here? Which one is that? 13th one, 14th one, right? Tell me the 14th one.
One second.
2 times of sine to the power of 6 theta plus cos to the power of 6 theta minus or plus? Minus कुछ था ना इधर, sine to the power of
minus, sir.
अच्छा minus
Minus 3 sine to the power 4 theta
plus cos to the power of 4
plus
theta
cos to the power 4
plus or is equal क्या है?
is equals nothing. You have to find.
Okay, this is equal to what? This is equal to what? Dash. I can write this as, guys, if you observe this properly, इसको मैंने कैसे लिख सकता हूँ? I have this, can I write like this as like this? Can I write like this or not?
Yes, sir.
Sin square theta whole square cos square theta whole square. Yes or no, people? समझ में आ रहा
Yes,
है?
sir.
So this is looking like a cube plus b cube. What is a cube plus b cube formula? I know the a plus b whole cube formula, right? A plus b cube whole cube formula is what? A cube plus b cube minus 3 times of ab plus a plus b. Isn't it? Yes or no? Hello? Plus.
Yes, sir.
Plus होता है, not minus. Not plus, minus, plus होता है, not minus. So now it is looking like a cube plus b cube, right? So a cube plus b cube can be written as what? A plus b whole cube minus 3 times of ab into a plus b. Yes or no? Children, yes or no? बताइए मुझे.
Yes.
हाँ, very good. So देखो, a, this is my a here, this is my b here. ठीक है? तो मुझे क्या करना है अभी देखो. हाँ, guys, because it is looking like what here? A and b, right? हाँ, मुझे from this can I write a square plus b square फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? a plus b whole square minus 2ab. लिख सकता हूँ ना मैंने ऐसे? Yes or no? Yes or no, people?
Yes.
हाँ, तो सब्स्टिट्यूट करो बस, थोड़ा कॉमन सेंस से आ जाएंगे आंसर. दिस आर अप्रोचेस गाइस, ये आपको ये अप्रोच मिल रहा है तो इसके बाद कुछ नहीं है. आफ्टर दिस विल यू बी नॉट एबल टू सॉल्व दिस गाइस, टेल मी.
Yes, sir. We'll
यू
be
कैन
able.
सॉल्व इट वेरी इजीली. देखो कुछ नहीं है इसके बाद. 2a+b होल क्यूब, ये क्या है? -3 टाइम्स ऑफ 2a+b. ठीक है, एस आर नो? -3 a स्क्वायर मतलब साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा होल स्क्वायर -2 टाइम्स ऑफ sin square theta into cos square theta. Yes or no? So this becomes what? 1 cube is 1 only. So 3 into sin square theta into cos square theta. And this becomes 1 only here. This becomes 1. So yes or no, people? Is it clear with everyone? Hello?
Clear, sir.
So -3, 1 square is 1 only. So 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Just simplify this. So 2 minus 6 sin square theta cos square theta -3 plus 6 sin square theta cos square theta. Answer is -1 beta. This will get cancelled. -3 minus how much? -1 is going to be the answer. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Children, any doubt here?
No, sir.
-1 is the answer. Very simple actually. Next. How many of you tried 15th one?
I tried.
What was your approach actually?
Sir, I thought maybe it's connected something to do with the quadrants or maybe the 90 minus theta concept, but I couldn't get past that.
Okay. What about others?
Same, sir.
Sir, 15th question, shouldn't we use complementary angles for that?
Tell me the question, please, once. Sine क्या था? What is that? Sine or cos? कुछ था ना? Let's tell me the question. Sine of
Sine of 50 degree minus theta.
Yeah. That one complement.
sine of 50 minus theta
Yeah.
It was plus.
plus plus.
Yeah, plus.
Sine of 50 plus theta minus cos of 40 plus theta. 40 plus theta या 40 minus theta? बताओ मुझे क्या था भाई? 40 minus theta. Guys, tell me the. Again I have to go to the question. Tell me the question if you have so. Okay. गाइस एक बार ध्यान से सुनिए. लेट ये मेरा थीटा हो गया, ठीक है? इसको मैं भी मैंने थीटा मान रहा हूँ. इट इज लुकिंग लाइक साइन थीटा, राइट? सो नाउ दिस कैन बी रिटन एज व्हाट? साइन 90 माइनस थीटा. Yes or no? Guys, can I write like that? Sin 90 minus theta. मैंने 90 minus or else ये इसको not 50 है 40, right? Or else you do like this. See guys, sin 90 minus theta क्या होता है मेरा? ये तो cos ही होता है ना? We know that. Sin 90 minus theta. This is my theta. I'm considering this full thing as theta here. So sin of 90 minus theta. Theta मतलब 50
And
plus.
I'm getting 0. Is it right?
ऑप्शन है आपके पास? आपके पास हाँ 0 है तो ऑप्शन गाइस डी ऑप्शन. 0 है तो ऑप्शन डी ओनली. 90 माइनस थीटा माइनस cos ऑफ 40 माइनस थीटा. तो ये मुझे क्या बचेगा? साइन
Sir, I wrote sine 50 plus theta as cos 90 minus 50 plus theta, then open the brackets and they both cancel out.
या वेरी गुड एक्चुअली. So this can be written as what? Sine 90 minus 40 minus theta, isn't it? 40 minus theta Yes or no? This,
Yes, sir.
देखो, if you simplify this again, you will get the above only, because 50 plus theta only you are getting, right? Same thing I'm getting here.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes.
so this becomes what? Cos. Answer is 0. Very, very good question. Very complicated, very like complicated in the sense थोड़ा सोचने वाला question था ये. ठीक है? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
चलो, I'll just give few more questions to you all. Just a minute. Guys, are you loving this type of question? Hello?
Love to solve, sir.
Yes, sir, they're good.
Yes, sir.
These questions are like, challenging type of questions.
They're
Actually.
interesting.
Yeah, I just deliberately, I'm just making you to solve this type of questions actually. You must solve actually, okay? Don't think that, अरे यार सर क्या toughest question solve करवा रहा है. Please. Don't think in that way.
Sir, actually, I tried all the questions. I didn't got the mind.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आप जस्ट लुक एट, यू मस्ट ट्राई. आपने ट्राई नहीं कर रहा है तो आपका बहुत गलती होगा. देयर इज नो पॉइंट ऑफ स्ट्रेट अप इफ आई एम कमिंग हियर एंड टीचिंग यू, देयर इज नो पॉइंट ऑफ जस्ट लर्निंग लाइक दैट. इफ यू ट्राई, आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, then if I just make you to understand in the class, yes, that is worthy actually. And straight away, if you are not solving anything and straight away you are listening to me, whatever I'm just teaching here, if straight away you are copying that, then there is no point. Please. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
One second, I'm just looking. Oh. Just a minute, children. I'm just getting the questions. Yeah. Everyone solve the 16th one here.
Sir, can you share this?
Yeah. 16th one. Basically very simple. इसको देखो, immediately you must get that idea. Immediately. ठीक है? What is cot theta here? Pi by 3. Make a right angle triangle. Find sine cos. खत्म. Guys, will you not able to solve this question? Hello.
Yes,
It is easy, sir.
It is easy actually. You solve this. This is homework. Please don't solve it now. Please, 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 please. Try at home. ठीक है? हाँ. Next 17th one. 17th one. Every one of you. Guys, don't waste much time on a simple question. Please kindly understand that. 17th one. Guys, done or not? 17th one.
No, sir.
इट्स अ प्रेटी सिंपल क्वेश्चन। देखो थोड़ा दिमाग लगाएंगे तो मिल जाएगा आंसर, कुछ नहीं है, वेरी वेरी सिंपल। देखो दिस इज माई एक्स वैल्यू, this is my y value, this is my z value. Which of the following equation is going to satisfy for that? बताओ।
Sir, should we use trial and error, sir?
हाँ, काइंड ऑफ ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड से भी कर सकते हो।
But that will take time. You have to check for everything.
यस, वो बहुत टाइम लेगा। एक्स मैंने क्या करूंगा, एक्स लुक एट दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, इधर एवरीवेयर यू हैव स्क्वायर 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 इन एवरी ऑप्शन। लुक एट दिस, इफ यू ऑब्जर्व एवरी ऑप्शन हैज स्क्वायर, तो मुझे क्या करना है, स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स। ठीक है, आर स्क्वायर तो साइन स्क्वायर थीटा। गाइस, आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू?
Yes, sir.
देन हियर y स्क्वायर क्या होगा? तो दिस इज माय इक्वेशन नंबर 1, इक्वेशन नंबर 2, इक्वेशन नंबर 3। तो 1 + 2 + 3 करेंगे तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? तो आर स्क्वायर कॉमन सब में, एस आर नो? साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, नो, आर स्क्वायर तो कॉमन, साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, आर स्क्वायर थीटा, साइन स्क्वायर थीटा कॉस स्क्वायर पाई प्लस तो what can I do here? Can I take something common here? What can I take common? हाँ, what can I take common? What can I take common? कुछ भी common, कोई गलती कर दिया हमने? Any mistake we made here? Tell me. So sine square from these two, if I take sine square common, guys, can I take sine square common from these two?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So what would I get? Cos square theta, I mean cos square pi
1,
plus
sir.
sin square pi. अरे यार, r square is answer. देखो this में answer, option A is correct. I can decide answer immediately. Getting how I decided? Can anyone of you guess that?
Yes, sir. I understood.
ये 1 हो जाएगा,
That will
this
to
one,
be
this will
1.
1. So r square into 1 क्या हो जाएगा? r square तो मिलेगा मुझे। So after adding all this stuff, I'm getting r square, which means option A is correct here. None of the options are matching. Look at this. Here minus I have, here also minus, here also minus. कुछ option possible नहीं होगा. Option A is possible here. ठीक है?
sir. Can you explain the last step once again?
Yeah, sure. देखो मैंने क्या किया है बेटा, देखो यार मैंने I took from these two terms. देखो this term and this term से मुझे क्या लिया? Sin square common here, sin square theta. I took that as a common here. I remained with cos square pi plus sin square pi. This one as it is
Yes,
I'm
sir.
writing. ठीक है? So sin square theta, this becomes what here? 1, right?
1.
Then cos square theta.
Yes.
Then
So
r
r
square
square
into
into
sin
1
square
is r
theta
square.
plus cos square theta. This gives you what? R square here. R square into 1, R square only, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So option A is correct. Which one? Option A is correct. Next 18th one. Make it fast, quick guys. We have to solve as many questions as possible. थोड़ा delay नहीं करनी चाहिए, please. Make it fast. मुझे idea भी बताओ. like whatever the idea you are getting, tell me at least an idea. Don't extract the question till you get. Guys, very simple actually. ये बहुत आपको ये करना चाहिए जल्दी से, लेकिन you have to tell this answer very quickly. Guys, done? Hello? Time
One
up.
second.
Time up. Guys, look at this here. Secant square theta can be written as what here?
1 by cos.
1 plus tan square theta. हो. Look at this बेटा, आप थोड़ा options को देखिए blindly. Don't make sure that don't solve in a blind way. Look at the options. Every option is in terms of tan and cot. Then why you are writing cos here? Cos कहाँ मिल रहा है मुझे? Option में cos है क्या? Hello?
No, sir.
No. Make sure that you are using an identity. Identity. What are the identities here? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Use these two identities here. देखो secant square can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. Cosec square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square theta. Yes or no? So this can be
Yes,
written as
sir.
what? 2 plus here tan, right? 2 plus then what can I write now? This can be written as what beta? बताओ मुझे. Hello guys, this can be written as what? Tan plus cot whole square. How many of you agree with my point?
Yes, sir, I agree.
Yes, very good. देखो ये idea from this, getting this idea is very important. Why? Because here tan and cot are reciprocal to each other. ठीक है? How I'm writing? If you expand this, so look at this here. If you expand this, so what would you get? Tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 times of tan theta into cot theta. Tan theta cot theta आपस में कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो मुझे यही तो बच रहा है फिर. देखो, yes or no children? बेटा समझ में आया आपको? Hello, getting my point or not children? Tell me.
Yes,
So
sir.
this will get cancelled. So what would I remain with now? Tan theta plus cot theta. Option है क्या आपके पास? देखो. Do you have with this option? Do you have available? Do you have any option? Yes, option A is correct. Next 18th one. 18th one. So 19th one, make it fast. Guys, all the classes will be like this only hereafter. All the classes. Make sure, are you guys liking this type of classes or not, guys? Why? Because I'm going to having this type of classes only. If you don't like, please tell me. Then we change something in a different way.
These are good, sir.
Yeah, आपको IC वाला क्वेश्चन चाहिए. You need to solve this type of questions. I'm telling you, if you really understand anything, guys, then we'll move in this way only. If you're not understanding anything, then we'll just try to approach in some other way. All right.
Okay, sir, fine.
Make it fast. 19th one, 19th one. Chalo, 19th one. This is pretty simple actually. Guys, you are taking much time here. Very simple question. देखो, what should be the answer? Guys, very simple. देखो, whenever you have this type of question, everyone stop writing please. मुझे एक बार screen देखिए एक बार. Everyone please stop writing.
Okay, sir.
This is what given here. I'm giving a strategy. This is what given here. दो दिया है. Look at the option. हमेशा क्वेश्चन से ही नहीं बनता है आंसर. ऑप्शन को देखने से आपको स्ट्रेटेजिकल मूव मिलता है. If you are looking at options, also will get an ideas. देखो here everywhere squares I have. तो मुझे क्या करना है? Immediately squaring on both sides. Immediately.
Sir, I got option B.
Option, this equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Option B you got.
Yes, sir.
Let's check it out. देखो, this is equation number 1 and equation number 2. Squaring on both sides for equation number 1. Squaring on both 2 for equation number 2. So then from that you will get whatever. Okay, let me just 19th question, right? 19th question. What was that? X by a sin theta या क्या cos theta कुछ था? X by b sin theta is equal to 1. X by a sin theta minus y by b cos theta is equal to 1. Here y. So so this is my equation number 1 here. So equation number 1, equation number 2. ठीक है. So मुझे क्या करना है अभी? So squaring on both sides. A square by a square cos square theta plus y square b square by. Guys, hereafter you don't have anything. आपको ये आइडिया आना चाहिए बस. आपको ये आइडिया आ गया. If you get an idea to squaring on both sides, then after that nothing actually. Calculation LKG का बच्चा कर देगा. Yes or no? Do you agree with my point or not, children? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very simple actually. थोड़ा आपको आइडिया मिलना है बस क्या करना है. Plus 2 times of AB. 2 times of XY by AB sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1. Similarly, इसको भी ऐसे करो. Now we can solve it actually. देखो, x square by a square yes or no, children? So now what should I do here?
Sir, add equation 1 and 2.
Very simple. देखो, जिसको मैंने 3 मान लिया, इसको 4 मान लिया. ठीक है. Adding 3 and 4, what would you get? X by a
We can
मुझे
take
common
the
ले लिया.
common.
Very good. Diksha, are you able to understand or not, beta?
Yes, sir.
Why are you absent for many days actually? This will get cancelled if I add so. Yes or no? Yes or no, people? Option now is equal to 2. 1 plus 1, 2, right? So this becomes 1 here. This becomes 1. So x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 2. This is our right answer. Any doubts? Any
No,
doubts,
sir.
people? Which option is correct here? Option B is correct. You're right. Shut up. Next. 20th question also very, very important. This is also my school question only. Make it fast. 20th one, everyone should solve now. After that, we'll wind up. Remaining 4 questions are homework for you all. ठीक है guys, हमने अच्छे से practice हो रहा है आपका. देखो guys, isn't it happening with a very good practice here? Very good revision. In
Yes, sir.
every question we are involving so many things actually. In a single thing, like every question we are involving so many things. तो ये वाला अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस होगा, ये होमवर्क होगा आपका, ठीक है। 20th one, make it fast, 20th one. Look at the options.
Sir, I had a
Options are in terms of sine and cos. Yes, tell me.
yes, sir. We're doing this, right? Although there is no problem, but this syllabus is not in term 2, right? So will we be doing that again, or is it done?
I didn't get you.
This syllabus, trigonometry, is not in term 2, right? Will we be doing term 2 syllabus, or is it done since we already completed it?
This is not term 2 syllabus, so you are asking, sir, we have done with the term 2 or term 1. So again, like, we have left with the term 2. So
Will we be revising it again, or is it done for
which one? Term 2?
term 2 syllabus?
Yeah, I'll revise it, no problem. Now, after this topic, we'll choose term 2 syllabus only. Why? Because term 2 only you are going to write right now, right? Not term 1.
Yes, sir.
So after this, I'll do term 2. I'll start with the term 2 only. Term 2 topics we'll choose one by one and we'll go ahead. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
मुझे बताइए, वेरी सिंपल एक्चुअली, क्या करना है इसको देखो। गाइस, आई विल गिव अ हिंट हियर, वेरी वेरी सिंपल हिंट। आपको इधर क्या करना चाहिए, देखो ये tan एंड sin secant I have, tan and secant आसपास में क्या होगा गाइस? which identity I have in terms of secant and tan?
Secant square theta minus tan.
tan square theta. Very good. तो मुझे क्या करना है, देखो
You have to square. You have to square.
need not to square here. देखो मैंने tan theta plus secant theta divided by tan theta minus secant theta. Here have minus 1, right? So minus as it is. In place of 1, what should I write? Secant square theta minus tan square theta. Since I know that formula, right? Plus, sir, why did you write like that? What is the reason behind writing like that?
Identity.
Identity है मेरे पास. Every function, look at this, everything became in terms of tan and secant, so which becomes very
Sir,
easy.
the denominator should be minus 10.
हाँ, कहाँ minus? Where?
In the
Secant square theta minus tan square theta.
Oh, here. Okay. Then simplify. Tan theta plus secant theta minus secant square theta. Guys, oh, look at this. Very very good idea. देखो, can I write this as a square minus b square? So it becomes tan theta plus secant theta into tan theta minus secant theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is my 10th standard question actually. Now hereafter you can solve it very easily. Guys, you can solve it after this. Will you be able to solve or not?
Sir, but we have to multiply again and then we have to elaborate it, right?
Yes, of course, everything will get cancelled. Guys, it is becoming very big actually. So either you write either numerator or denominator. If I do so, yes, as you said, if I elaborate it, it becomes very big actually.
Yes, sir.
क्या करना है अभी देखो?
Sir, earlier you were doing something, right?
Yeah, no.
That won't work.
What was I doing? What I was doing? I didn't get you.
Yes, sir. Sir, you were directly in tan theta plus secant theta minus secant theta plus tan theta.
Tan theta, I didn't get you. Sorry.
Sir, you were opening the brackets, sir. That's it. You were not elaborating.
Okay. If even you open so, why should I open? Take a common sense here. Why should I open here? I have this one tan theta plus secant theta, then why should I open this actually? So let it be, no, this term as it is I have here, and here also I have this as it is. I can cancel, right? If I keep it as it is. So yeah, you can try, you can open it and try actually, but yeah.
Okay.
तो मुझे क्या करना है देखो अभी. Guys, look at this. Can I take common now? Can I take common this term in the numerator?
Yes.
Tan theta plus secant theta common. So what would I remain with now? 1 minus secant theta minus tan theta divided by. Do you agree with my point or not?
Yes, sir.
तो मुझे अब क्या करना है देखो, वेरी सिंपल आफ्टर दिस. What would be my answer now? Can I
So
cancel
the
this one?
denominator, yes, correct. Yes, sir. Now
But
we
my
turn them
option
into
by
sin and
option-
cos.
I don't have option. Yeah, इसको थोड़ा sin and cos में कर दो बस. So 1 plus sin theta by cos theta is the answer. Option C. is
Option
correct.
C, sir.
देखो guys, you know when you are calculating, when you are appearing in competitive exam, हाँ मुझे इधर से from this itself I can just give this answer. Need not to write every step and waste your time. ठीक है? Hope it is clear with everyone. All
Sir,
right.
can you scroll
Yes,
up?
sir.
Yeah, please everyone solve these remaining questions and just submit them in the next class. All
Yes,
right.
sir.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you.